So first we are going to give the introduction about it. AEM is nothing but a Adobe Experience Manager who have a
Mhm.
control to create a pages. So for users, they're only creating a sites. There is nothing they do with the respective background informations. Okay, they're knowing only
Okay.
there is an platform. AEM is a platform to create a sites. Okay, what is
Mhm.
site?
A website is like locale where a person like for let's say for a country or maybe
Yeah,
uh,
got it. That is a detailed explanation. I'm
yes, it
saying that
is.
the
Yeah.
sites is nothing but bunch of pages. Okay, so
Mhm.
collection of
Okay.
pages. Okay, so sites
Mhm.
consist of the collection of pages or single pages. That doesn't it's a collection of sites. Collection of pages considers as sites. Okay, so
Okay.
site considers a each site is a considers a each domain. Okay, so
Hmm.
that's why we are going to practicing now. Okay, let me share my
Okay.
screen. Yeah, so I know you are everything about the publishing things and all, but even though in AEM, it's slightly different. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Let me know once you can able to see my screen. Okay.
Mhm. Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So I'm going to see the Amazon structure over here. Okay. When whatever the things that you're going to see in the different websites. Okay.
Mhm.
E-commerce websites, mostly the sites using, I mean, AEM used for multiple locations, pharmacy side, the HCP sites, and the e-commerce sites. So we have multiple things of web pages. So web pages is common, but the information is different. The categorization of information is different. Okay, but website is
Okay.
common. Okay, so
Mhm.
you can see here, this is the header part that you can know about it, right? So,
Yes.
and this is the body part, and this is the footer part. So
Food. Yeah.
this is thing that we are consist of information. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So how the content will be shown when you upload the thing, and we can hyperlink in
Mhm.
the images and hyperlink in the text. We can run the website. Got it? So
Oh,
it is a
right.
banner. It is a carousel banner. So every single data merged with any other functionalities, okay, it might
Mhm.
be provide a different thing, okay, different evolution of the page information, okay. So here
Okay.
you can see this is the carousel banner. Here we can. This is not a dynamic, right? These all are things the static one that you can able to get it.
Yes.
These are
Yes.
all.
So
You do know about
these
it,
are
right?
all.
Dynamic and
Yeah,
static
static and
information.
dynamic. Yeah,
Yeah.
static means we what we add, and dynamic is something that is getting pulled.
Automatically fetch the data whenever that
Yes.
data changes in the backend. That's the dynamic thing. Okay, so these are
Mhm.
the static one because it says starts the 23 3rd September in the Great Indian Festival, right? So these are the information we are creating the banner for it and upload it, and if I click it, it will be redirect to the respective campaign page. Got it? So
Right.
every single information is a HTML, consists of
Okay.
HTML and CSS combinations. But
Mhm.
that this moving thing, okay, and if I click anything about if I click anything, it will be redirected. These are the HTML thing, okay. But anything about from the showing to performing, if anything actions between the pages, okay, that consists of
Mhm.
JavaScript things, okay. So AEM consists of every single HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, okay. So
Okay.
managing things is different in AEM. Okay, it's a
Mhm.
predefined bundles. You know about the predefined bundles, right? So every single information that you can having in your hand, okay, it is predefinedly
Mhm.
create a. If you're going to create a page, you are having only the button information only. If you click the button, you can get the template and you can get the page. Okay, that's what AEM doing. But in the back end, you can see HTML is automatically created when while using the template. Got it?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is how the information on and off. Okay, we will go in the full stretch, but today's the introduction class that I'm going to teach you, and I want to know whether you have the AEM installation kit that you get it or not.
No, not yet. I need that jar file because I had this developer jar file. Okay,
Okay.
but yeah, but I need the
But if you
authoring.
have the localhost, right? If you can able to open the localhost, that would be better. You know, don't need a jar file and all. If you are already having the localhost, then no problem. You can do it in your own sandbox, right? So there is no company dependency on it on your local thing. Got it?
Okay.
So EM authoring is a front end part, right? There is no back end dependency for AEM authors. AEM authors having the dependency for in back end, okay? But
Mm-hmm.
we AEM author doesn't have an option to work on back end, okay? Front end also we are actually working on the tool, not with the code. Got it?
Right, right. Okay,
Code will be if you're using the code that considers a override. That considers a override informations. Got it?
okay,
So
okay,
this is the welcome login screen of AEM. Let me use opening my localhost. This is the welcome page of my AEM localhost. Got it?
okay.
So installation, if you're having the installation, that would be better. If you can have it, please share. If you share your screen, that would be better. Whether I
So,
can able to
uh,
see it.
1 second. I have started it. Let it start. I'll share screen. Okay.
Let me stop it.
It is loading.
Okay. Now you're
Yeah,
loading, right?
it's loading for now.
Yeah.
Yes. I have this quick start and had created one project also. Build one
Mm.
project. However, it is the Java part that I
Yeah,
was
got
facing
it.
issue with.
I mean, okay, if you're having the developer part, why you're actually get into the, I mean, know the AEM authoring?
Actual thing is, no. What's the issue here is now, actually, I am working in team site, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this BlackRock is now shifting to AEM.
AEM.
Okay. But that too in authoring part only.
Mm-hmm.
However, once I get this authoring, okay, I want to go in the development part also. Okay. I want to
Oh, okay,
shift my career to development. So
got it.
before that, it is going to take time. Okay, development is, but first I need to know the tool from publishing perspective, then after that I'll
Got it,
go
got
with
it.
develop. Yeah. So you are working in Adobe, you might have worked for BlackRock project.
Sorry?
Mm, so you might have worked for BlackRock project
No,
also.
no.
Okay.
It's a
So
completely different e-commerce site in for a Philips.
okay, okay. So this is what I have. Okay. I saw you had too many options, but there are only 6 options here.
Yeah. Okay. No issues, no issues. We can only using these particular things only, not with others. So don't need to call about it. Okay, and go to the navigation, I mean home page.
Uh,
So
which
this is the
one?
welcome site. This is a navigation
Yeah,
console. Okay, here you can see projects, sites, experience fragments, assets, personalizations, and content fragments. Right?
right.
Okay. So here it is fine with it. We are actually working for sites alone. Sites, experience fragments, assets. These are the main thing that we are going to work on. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So whenever you're going to see it, okay, sites is a basic thing. There we can see the sites. I mean, going to create a new sites and all. Okay. So there you can see the
Hmm.
pages. Okay. Experience fragments. Fragments is a separate topic that I will tell you in the later part. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Mild actually, it's a new jar file that you are getting it, but I am having the hold on. I will let you know about it.
This
So
one, I guess it is a cloud one that
yeah,
I have.
might
Yeah.
be. It's
Hmm.
cloud. Okay. Can go to the sites. This is
Yes.
the site console. Going to the My Learnings project. Are you working on it? I mean, are you
Yeah.
created these informations?
Yes, there were two, three pages that
Okay.
uh, was created, and since I was working on the component building,
Mm-hmm.
so yes, so there are few things added. Okay, so like this two things, these were created.
Okay.
Okay, when we had, however, the code was not working, and later on I didn't had a chance with the trainer to work on this one.
Okay. Got it. Got it. You're also
Mhm.
creating. I mean, try to creating the components as well, right?
Yes, and
Okay.
here you see CRXT light. Here are the components, and here's the component I got. This was the sightly, and then there was this class, college class, and these are variables added. All these things were done in Eclipse, and then they are called here. And then these bundles you are talking about, they're here. These are predefined bundles
Yeah.
which are used. So yeah, I know, but I know about these basics now and not publishing basic.
I think you are in the extreme level of informations. I know
Hmm.
it, but content authoring is not much that information that you don't have it. Okay, so having just a common publishing and editing pages itself, that would be the easier part. So this is AEM. Okay, let me share my screen
Okay.
on. You can
Yes.
stop it
Yes.
and let me share my screen. So it is easy now for you to getting a class. It will be completed not more than 20 hours. It will be completed as soon as possible because you know the things on your own. I mean, level of understanding is different, so you can get it easily.
Mhm.
So let me
Okay.
go with the topics, right? Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Here you can see this is a navigation console. This is a tools console. Okay. So
Right.
under the sites we have the project. Okay, we have the project of v-retail. For
E-retail.
now v-retail is a basic thing. Okay, the default project that we have already. Okay, under the
Okay.
language masters, do you know about the language masters and the locales?
Yeah, countries work as locale, and then their languages are the folders where we save all these components and pages.
Okay, so
Right.
language master you can change whatever you want. Okay,
Mhm.
it is not depend upon it. It is not a predefined thing. Okay, one minute. If- yeah, come on. Actually, language masters
Yes.
having the language informations only. We will see the live copies and language copies that we have a topic on it for creating the content. Okay, but this is the basic
Mhm.
structure that we have right now. We have the standalone pages and the inherited pages. Okay, standalone sites
Okay.
or inherited sites. This is the basic thing. Okay, and first of all, AEM having the information. Okay, let me show you thing. Okay, let me explain it in the different way. Okay, so
Okay.
know the AEM thing. So but let me explain about the basic information on it from the scratch. Let me know are you able to see it.
Yes, I can.
Okay, in AEM we have a sorry, okay, AEM sites. Got it?
Okay.
So
Hmm.
whenever we create a site, okay, whenever we create a sites, we have the one server on it. Okay, consists of a locales.
Hmm.
Got it? So I created a locales. Okay, and
Okay.
I'm going to publish the site. Got it?
Okay.
Whenever we created it, it is author. Okay, this is a author mode. So we have in
Okay.
EAM we have two instances. Do you know about the instance, right?
Publish instance, author instance, right?
Yeah. So these are the instances. Here, what information will here in the publishers? What information will be there?
Don't know. Hmm.
Same locales. Because
Okay.
whenever you published in the author mode, it is same in the publisher as well. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing here itself, the CDN part. Let me. This is the live server. Live server is consist of the domain.
Okay.
Got it? And this is the publisher instance.
Hmm.
But in AEM we have only two instances, but you have to know about the third instance. This is not an instance, but these are the instances, nothing but a separate server that we can hold the information. Okay. So
Okay.
in author we have able to edit the informations.
Okay.
Okay. In author while
Hmm.
we are publishing. Okay. Published content. But
Hmm.
here also the published content won't be the server, but here we have the CDN. Okay.
Okay.
What do you know about the CDN?
No. No.
Okay. Let me explain you. In the CDN part, we have what is the use of CDN in the sense we have the author, right? In the
Yes.
same way, we have the dispatcher also. Got it?
Okay.
So in the dispatcher, in the after publisher, okay, after publishing, we have to
Hmm.
publish it on the live server because this is the EM thing, right? We are having the HTML,
Yes.
normal HTML and CSS. If you hit, if you write the HTML code, okay, and publish it,
Hmm.
save it in the .html, it will be reflect in the live site. Got it? There is no,
Right.
there is no performance and restriction level of. There is no restrictions on all. If you have the HTML file, if you go and run it, it will be shown as a website. Got it?
Website.
So
Right.
if you
Yes.
have power pack of HTML with consist of CSS, JSN and everything, if you have it, then you will run the website. But EM is a separate tool. Okay. We have a
Hmm.
separate instances and separate packages and all. So in author in EM, it is under the EM. Okay. These
Okay.
these informations are okay. The both informations, both instances only in the EM, right?
Right.
Okay. So author is an instance that we can able to edit, modified, okay, and
Hmm.
create, edit, modify things, and managing the documents and all. Okay, documents in the
Okay.
sense assets. Assets consist of image, PDF, files, everything within a assets.
Hmm.
Okay, so these consist of author consist of content. We don't say the components and all. We have it, it's a content. For author, it's a content. Got it? Components
Right.
and every technical terms it will be used in the back end or the author. I mean, it's a technician part. But if you're going to, you are the first contact of the person, I mean the market. Okay, if the market
Hmm.
reaches you about the any site information or any modification changes, you are the author, you have to explain it. But you don't tell about the technical aspects. They're not or no aware of it. All right. So technical aspects not working with it. So in author, we have going to create, edit, and modify the things. Got it?
Okay.
So after
Okay.
everything completed in the author mode, okay, we are going
Hmm.
to publish the content. We have the option called publishing, activate, or anything under this. If you are publishing it, it will be go to the publishers. Okay,
Okay.
publishers also
Okay.
separate instance. There is not a copy of it. There is a separate instance, and we need a CDN for it. CDN is nothing but content delivery network. CDN is content delivery network that helps you out, that connection between the content from respective AEM to live server.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
It's
Yes.
actually working to um,
So
loading the,
mostly,
yeah,
if I sort it out most, then that means author is some the part where we edit everything, modify all the
yeah.
components, content, whatever.
Mm-hmm,
Then publisher is the can be said as a preview environment where we check everything, that how it is looking and everything.
mm-hmm.
Then when we push it to live, then it is on live server after CDN or dispatcher.
Yeah, yeah. Dispatcher, yeah, exactly. So content delivery network. Okay, so in the dispatcher is a tool. Okay, it's a separate tool that we can help see how the respective content from the AEM will
Hmm.
published into the live server. Okay, so there is a
Yes.
tool also Akamai and all. A lot of things are there. So mostly I'm using the Akamai thing. So we are not having the option to see and how it will not like that. If you're publishing
Hmm.
more than 100 sites here, author can publish more than 100 sites itself, but 100 pages, like 100 pages. Okay, but in
Hmm.
publishers also reflected in a minute, okay, in a second, while you activated things, right, in the author, it
Hmm.
actually published it in the second in the publishers, but it will take a time to reflect in the live servers. Okay, it's depend
Oh,
upon the queue that you are actually holding it. Okay, so dispatcher
okay.
is the tool that they actually help you out to balancing the uh, load management.
Workflow,
Y-
maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, workflow is workflow is also called as publishing things, but dispatcher helps you out to load balancing. It's another called as load balancing tool. Okay, load balancing is
Okay.
nothing but if you are publishing too many pages in the one single shot. Okay, we have an option for it. if you're activating the pages, it will go to the publishers in second. There is no lag in it. Okay, but after
Okay.
publishers to live server, we have the CDN, right? Dispatcher. Dispatcher is the
Mm-hmm.
thing. It will be consist of the it's a traffic heavy traffic in the servers, right? In the network, we have the heavy traffic while we publishing. At the time, dispatcher will help you out without breaking,
Mm-hmm.
without loss of information. That particular changes will be transferred to the live server. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the exact thing, the author part that you know. You will get it. Okay, the
Okay.
dispatcher thing will help you out to the connection between the publishers and live server. Live server is nothing but the Amazon.com that you can able to see it. Okay,
Yes. Yes. Got it.
so yeah, so this is how their the works will be shown, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got it. So let
Yes.
me show in the sites level. Let me know if you are unable to see it.
Yes, I.
Okay. So here you can see, as I said, the welcome page is this is the welcome page, and I'm going to tell you the sites. If in the sites, these are the site console. It is a touch UI. We have the classic UI as well and touch UI as well. Classic UI, we have a, as I said, we have some replications. I mean, everything in AIM is two parts. Okay, we have a two instance. One is author and one is publishers. Okay, also now we
Okay.
have the working environment in touch UI and the classic UI. It's nothing but a user interface that you're going to work on it. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
welcome page of classic UI. Got it? And
Hmm.
touch is, this is the touch UI of welcome page in AEM. Okay,
Okay.
so websites, it's a site console of classic UI and it's a site console of touch UI. Got it?
Okay.
So
Yes. Yes.
yeah, this is the structure of it. Okay. Also, whenever you create a site, we need a template for it. Okay. So while we create a site, okay, we need a node for it. Each uh, node, I mean each folders like structure, right? This is a folder structure, right? So each thing
Mhm.
considers a separate node. Okay. Node is nothing but
Okay.
the holding the information. We have the JCR. Do you know about the JCR?
Yes. Java Content Repository.
Exactly. So here
Yes.
also they're actually having the content repository. Okay. So content
Okay.
repository, what the information, I mean, what are the information holding the content repository? What is content repository? Do you know about it?
So, Java Content Repository is like whatever Java code is in the backend written, okay, that is coming through JCR. Sorry, this Sightly language. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, got
So, yeah, that content, calling that content from the coding part is kind of used in this JCR.
exactly. So every single information of the website, right? That's a simple way
Hmm.
to you can get it. So whatever the things that you can edit an apps folder, libs folder, okay, whatever the things that you're
Yes.
going to edit in a structured, I mean, backend part, it will be JCR holding the standard API. Okay. I mean, whatever the things, the backend, regarding the components, templates, everything, it holding the
Mhm.
information of every single creation or in hierarchical information, right? So these are the
Oh,
informations content repository app, right? So
okay.
we have lots of folders. We have a content folder. This is a content. We are working on the mostly content. We sites are creating under the content folder. And the same way we have the fragments. Say experience fragments, we have the experience fragment folder. Okay. Also we have the
Okay.
conf folder for template creation, right? So every single thing that we can going to see here, it is already having the separate folder on or folder format. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So what we can do is now, we just seeing it. So we have the English, okay, not language master. We have Unitext states. Unitext state is a separate local. local or country. Okay, so in country we have
Okay.
a separate languages for it. Okay, so under the
Mm-hmm.
English we have seen the pages. Are you able to get it? So this is,
Yes.
if you double click, it will be open in classic UI, and you can see the hierarchy here, and get collapse and expand to see the content over
Mm-hmm.
here. And this right click to open, click open to open the page. So double click and open the, right click on the particular page and click open, it will be open.
Okay.
Got
And
it?
there are this few two pages showing this green icon
Yeah,
published in the
that is
published
published.
column.
That is published information. The status of the
Okay.
page activations are not. Got it? And AEM
Okay.
sites, we have a classic way. This is the classic way. This is hierarchy of the classic way. Here you can see that column view, chord view, row view, list view that you can get. You can see once after you
Mm-hmm.
click it. Okay. Here you can see the previous versions of it. Sites, VDetail, United States, English. Under English, we have respective pages.
Okay.
Got it? It's a chord view. List view also we have it.
Okay.
So list view. But we are mostly using the column view. That's why we getting the parent node.
Okay.
So visual experience on it. This is the touch we have it. So whenever you open the page, click on the thumbnail, okay, and click
Mm-hmm.
edit to open the page. Okay,
Yes. Huh.
but here you don't have the double click on it. Double click issues. Okay, so click on the thumbnail of the respective pages or notes, and you will get the edit option
Edit. Mm.
to create it. For more than two pages, if you click on edit mode, it won't work. Okay, but if you're going to select the last page, right, products, it will be open. I mean,
Okay.
actually, so selection of information is must. It is not a
Mm.
selection thing. It will be consist of a good. First selection will be noted to edit the. Open the page. Apart from the selections, it won't take it. Got it?
Okay.
So
Okay.
these are the folder structures that you know. You're
And
having
there
the.
are many other options like this edit. Other than that, there were many other options also coming.
Means I know I'm not getting it.
When you selected the page,
Mm-hmm.
and there was this pop-up, not pop-up, but a bar coming up. Yeah,
Yeah,
this edit,
yeah,
create, copy,
yeah,
quick publish.
yeah.
So this manage publication is something that
Scheduled publication.
scheduled. Okay.
Which time that you're going to publish or unpublish the page. Now or later, I'm going to act, select the respective page and time. Here you can see the time.
Okay.
So select it
Uh,
and next. If you click
For
the next, yeah.
for us in Infosys, we have this feature in team side also, but they don't let us use this. They ask that you, if it is required, you can log in at that time, just publish the page and log off, because there is like post live QC or everything is required. The page is
This is
published correctly and
yeah, got it.
everything.
I got it. Whenever we have to schedule the time to work on it, but it will not help you for the every single time. Okay, so manage
Hmm.
publication is uh, we have a separate timer for it. Okay, so if you select the
Hmm.
timer for the respective page to manage publication,
Hmm.
it will be help you out to the respective timing and publishing the site. Not this is the option. This is the feature that we have already. Okay, can you use it or not?
Hmm.
That if you alive, if you wake up on the particular time and publish, that's also considerable, right? So this is a
Yeah,
feature.
they just asked this one because it
We don't
is
need a queue
because
for
the
every single
quality
page.
part.
No, no, no. Quality pass is different. If you have the that type of information, if you have sensitive information to publish, that is a different part
Hmm.
that you can work with in the QA team. Whether it is been correct.
Hmm.
If you post it, it will be work. Or else, if I publish it, it will be work like this. The design part, everything is such or not. The testing team If you need it, you can do it. Okay. Or else, if
Okay.
you have a regular articles, right, we can see the regular article pages. That might be a separate articles are there. If you set the manager publications one at a time, it will be run automatically publishing it. See, it's one of the
Okay.
pages, not with the every single article that doesn't need a much QA for it. It is
Right.
author part to see the content whether it is corrected. I mean automated content or not. That would be
Mm,
easy to get it.
got it. Okay.
Hmm? Okay.
Yes, got
Yeah.
it. Mm,
So this is how the things work. This is the aim and this is the structure. We can see later on the language masters in next session. Okay. And
sure, sure. Okay.
so basic
Okay. Thank
introduction
you.
class, this is enough. But if you have
Mm,
time in middle of the week also, we can complete it because you know the things, but you need a right I mean explanation to get it. Got it? As far as I
yes.
understand, you know things, but you expecting to get it from the right thing.